Hi children, good morning everybody. Welcome to Sri Taralubalu YouTube classes. I myself Sudarshan ML, English teacher at Sri Muralasiddeshwara Smaraka Nagasamudra Shikarana High School, Bendekiri. I welcome you all to the 9th standard second language English class, my dear children. Dear children, in today's class that we are going to study about one of the beautiful poems which is prescribed in 9th standard, children. But before going to start my today's poem, children, I would like to show you a picture, children. Yes, can you watch and say something about this picture, children? Yes? Whose picture is this one? Definitely. Got it? She has become the icon of the country today. She is none other than, very good, Mirabai Chauhan, and she has won silver medal in the present Olympics, which is going on in Tokyo. Am I right, children? In 2021, the present Olympics is going in Tokyo, children. There, that she has the India's first medal winner, children, in this Olympics, my dear children. That she is none other than, yes, Mirabai. Am I right, children? In weightlifting, in the 49 kg kilos women's wing, that she has won the silver medal, children. And keep in your mind, it is the pride of the country, children. We have to be as proud about this lady who has won this beautiful medal. Okay, and she has become the icon, children. So each and every sports person's desire is to be win a medal in the Olympics, and that dream was fulfilled in the present Olympics of Mirabai, children. She is not only, okay, it is not only our desire, children, it is the desire of the country. Every nation blessed, okay, they bless its sports persons to win or wish to win the medal in Olympics. Selecting for the Olympic is very hard work, very difficult, my dear children. Where they have to not all the sports person can represent the Olympics. Okay, they have to make some records. They have to reach the aim. Then only they will have to select, children. Otherwise, they can't. There are so many runners. There are so many weightlifter, children. Why Mirabai only was sent to Tokyo Olympics, children? That she has beaten the rest of the athletes or the sports person in that wing. That is why that she was given the chance, and she proved her selection to, children. So that this is what, this is how the people select to the Olympics, my dear children. Playing in Olympic or participating in Olympic or selection for the Olympic games and athletics, my dear children, it is really a laurel to every sports person, children. Today that I use this occasion to as tribute or to give respect to one of the great icon, one of the famous sports person of the country called Mirabai, who have won the silver medal in the present Olympics games. So yes, in this slide that you can observe this Olympic sports person, my dear children, and as well as behind the Mirabai, that we could see the emblem of the Olympics. Got it? Olympics is the greatest athletic meet, sports and athletic meet, my dear children, on the earth. We know it is started by the Greeks, but it is the greatest meet of the sports and athletics. So it is an honor to participate in this athletic series. Okay, it's not easy task for the people to select for the athletics children. They have to do the hard work. They have to work hard, okay, to select for the selection of Olympics meet, my dear children. Yes, I took this opportunity to say about Meera Kumari, who has won the medal in the last 2-3 days back, children, who is the proud of the country. Got it? Yes, you might have surprised why I am using this occasion, or yes, telling about Mirabai today, just because, children, we have the same type of poem who has the athletic runner called Karti Birthwait. Okay, sorry, yes, we have a poem in 9th standard called Betty Cuthbert. She is a athlete, and her life was beautifully described in the poem A Girl Called Golden by the poet, my dear children. Yes, in 9th standard, that we have a poem on Betty Cuthbert, a Australian athlete, children. Sorry, she is a runner. Okay, see, the ode, a poem in praise of is written by Betty Cuthbert, by name Elizabeth Cuthbert, was an Australian athlete. She belongs to Australia, children. She was an Australian athletic. She was a great sprinter and had won 3 gold medals at the 1956 Olympic Games in Melbourne. See here, children. She won 3 gold medals in the Australian Olympics, that too in 1956. She is a very fast runner, children, and won 3 gold medal. Okay. She added a 4th gold medal at the 1964 Olympics in Tokyo. In 1964, okay, the Olympics was held in Tokyo, children. Okay, in the present Olympics is also taking place in Tokyo, but whereas in 1964 also the Olympics was taken place at Tokyo, children. There also that she won 1 gold medal in running. So totally, overall that she won 4 gold medals in running, children. But the first 3 in 1956 and the second one is in 1964. Got it? So, do you want to learn more about this lady? Yes. See, children, that we have a poem, A Girl Called Golden. That is why the poet put the title to that poem as a Golden Girl. Okay, and the title of that poem is A Girl Called Golden. Do you know why? Yes, the poem has given the poet has given the title as A Girl Called Golden because she won the gold medals in the Olympics. Got it? That's why David Batson has put the title as A Girl Called Golden. So, who is the girl referred here? Yes, that girl is none other than Betty Cuthbert. Who is this Betty Cuthbert, my dear children? She is a Australian sprinter. Sprinter in the sense runner. Okay, running race ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ sprinter ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, anyhow, children. Yes, I will recite the poem first, children. After reciting, just I will explain the poem. Okay, see here. A Girl Called Golden by David Batson. Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Why did you sprint if they started to run? Why did you train while others were playing? What was the secret that made it seem fun? Was it the feel of a fresh air and sunshine? Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? What made the coach recognize you were special? Was it because you had courage to spare? Showing your will when the muscles were aching, long spells of efforts and much to be learned. Heeding the words that some others rejected, knowing the winning could only be earned. Time slipped away. Then came Olympics. Still in your teens, but spurred on by the cheers, glory at last, as you gained your gold medals, a time to remember the rest of your years. Yes, look here, children. In your textbook, in page number, just a minute. One, sorry, 67, children. In page number 67, that you have got this poem. So here it is a poem on one of the Australian gold medalist called. Very good. It is a poem about the Olympic champion called. Yes, very good. Betty Cuthbert. And this poem is written by David Batson, children. David Batson was an Australian poet and a photographer. David was well known among the network of children's authors and illustrators who met at the Journalists Club at Sydney. Besides writing poems for children, David was interested in occasion, theatre and photography. He has published children's poems in numerous magazines and as anthologies on his own. Look here, children. David Batson is not only the poet but also a good photographer and also was organizing some theatre actions or dramas in Australia, children. And he has written the poem on the Betty Cuthbert, the Australian Olympics champion. So look at the poem in your textbook, my dear children. Again, yes, and the textbook, the text or the poem is displaying in the slide also for your convenience, my dear children. So I hope that you will. Just a minute. Yes, you will open your textbook also for the reference. Okay, have you opened? Shall we see the poem in detail? Okay. Look at the first stanza, my dear children. Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Why did you sprint if they started to run? Why did you train while others were playing? What was the secret that made it seem fun? Look here, children. A girl called Golden. Who is the girl referred here? Yes, you are right. This girl is none other than Australian Betty Cuthbert. Okay, Australian Olympic champion. Okay, the gold medalist called Betty Cuthbert. And her early life was described in this present stanza, my dear children. See, the poet is describing how that she has practiced, okay, to achieve or to reach the Olympics or to select for the Olympics, children, that we have to do the hard work. Okay, hard work is only the solution to, yes, solution for the selection, children. Okay, if Mirabai has won the silver medal, in the sense, we can't exactly imagine the hard work or the practice that she has done to reach to that extent, children. Got it? In the same way, some qualities, some achievements, or some talents will be, okay, in the some skills or the talents will be in the person, sometimes from the birth, children, by birth, or they will express or they will show that talent when they are in the groups, or when they are seen individually or in group, children. For example, okay, if we in the classroom, that we will easily identify the very active person. Okay, how we can how we could identify or select the active person, because on the basis of his okay, activeness and his ways and his talking style and his approaching, okay, that make us to, okay, understand that this guy is a very active. In the same way, children, in some of a few of the talents, some of the talents will be hidden, children, that will be extracted by the coach or the teacher or somebody. Got it? In the same way here, children, when Betty Cuthbert was studying in the high school, or in the when she was going to school, children, look at the extraordinary activity that she was doing while she was going to the school, children. She was not like other. Compared to the girls of the same age, she was quite different. She stood quite separate, children. So how come you come to know about that? Look at there. What special qualities or what other qualities have been identified in Betty Cuthbert when she was in the when she was going to school, children? Yes, we can see there. Look at there. Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Look here. Who do the word you refer here? Yes, the word you refers to Cuthbert, children. Got it? Betty Cuthbert. What she was doing? Look at there. Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? While her schoolmates were walking, children, she was running. Look here, children. In the sense, she is one step ahead of her compared to her friends, my dear children. One step ahead in the sense, when her schoolmates were school friends are walking to school, she was running. That's why ella kelta idru, hey, why are you running? Yeah, that she was competing, that she was doing the competition with her friends itself from the beginning. Nobody could beat her when she was walking or when she was running, children. She was going faster than her friends. Her friends were surprised looking at Betty Cuthbert. Yes, you are walking, okay, you run fastly, or you are walking, you walk little faster than us. Like this, they were comparing. She was faster, children. Look at that. Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? When her friends were walking, that she was running. In the sense that she was one step ahead of her friends. And moreover, it shows the interest. Okay, it is the hidden talent of the Betty Cuthbert, my dear children. And look at that. If they started to run, why did you sprint if they started to run? when her friends were started to run, children, what she was doing, she was sprinting in the sense, okay, yes, sprint ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that you might have heard, children. Sprint ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes, running fast, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಗೆದು ಓಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ while jumping. Okay, sprint ಅಂದರೆ to run or go very fast for the short distance ಅಂತ. Okay, ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, just like a horse sprinting. So like this, in the sense that we could understand that Betty Cuthbert was doing the hard work since her childhood. That is why that she has reached towards the Olympics, my dear children. Look at that. So here that we can understand that she had an extraordinary talent and she was quite ahead of her friends compared to the girls of the same age. That has leaded her towards the Olympic gold medal, children. Okay, and also that she has worked hard. Okay, she was competing with her friends. Why did you sprint if they started to run? When her friends were running, children, what she was doing, she was sprinting in the sense, look at the word there, children, that this particular word is also in your textbook. Look at the word sprint, write down the meaning of this word, children. Sprint, the word sprint in the sense to run or to go very fast for the short distance. Okay, then why did you train while others were playing? So that she was coaching in the sense training, or she was suggesting the others how to run and how to, okay, use the skills in the particular sports or in particular game, children. So what does it shows? It is, she has, again it shows, it proves that she is quite faster compared to her other friends, that she was giving the training to the juniors or others when others were playing. What was the secret that made it seem fun? What was the secret? Okay, why that girl is little faster and why that girl is doing all these things and why this girl is quite different to compare to other girls? What is the secret of it? Look here, what was the secret that made it seem fun? If at all that she is doing all these things, is there anything? Did she know that she will go and win the gold medal in future? No, nobody knew, children. Nobody knew while she was doing like this, but she was quite faster in almost all the games. Have you understood, my dear children? Have you understood this paragraph? Okay, in this paragraph that we could see the comparison between the Cuthbert and her friends. Okay, how she was quite different compared to her friends, my dear children. Got it? Yes, I hope that you have understood. Let's shall we move on to the next stanza? Look at that, children. Was it the feel of the fresh air and sunshine? Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? What made the coach recognize you were special? Was it because you had courage to spare? Look at that. Was it the feel of a fresh air and sunshine? These talents, was it the symbol of the future achievement? Look at that, children here. Was it the feel of fresh air and sunshine? ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಾಜಾ ಗಾಳಿಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕಿರಣಗಳು ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ that we have to see it in that angle, children. Are those talents, are those achievements, or are those symptoms which she was showing when she was with her friends while by walking and coaching, children, while training, are the signs of the better future? Okay, in that way that we have to understand this line, children. Was it the feel of fresh air and sunshine? Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? Is it the symbol of a new days, a good days, good future in your life? The poet is asking. What made the coach recognize you were special? Why did the coach selected you only? See, what made the coach recognize you were special? Cuthbert, Betty Cuthbert was quite special, children. We come to know in the very first stanza of the poem that she had some hidden and extraordinary talents, okay, right from the beginning. Okay, that extra skills made the coach, okay, to understand that this girl is little different and this girl is extraordinary. Look at there. What made the coach recognize you were special? Was it because that you had a courage to spare? Look at it. Did the coach selected you because that you are very brave and courageous girl? Of course. To become a sports person, to achieve something, to achieve a great milestone in life, children, that we should be courageous and should be the hard worker. The coach recognized this speciality in Betty Cuthbert. That is why that he has selected her as the athlete. Got it? I told now. Not everyone could select, children. Not everybody selected for the Olympics. Only the person who had the caliber or the guts or potential will be selected. The same way, Betty Cuthbert was selected because that she was a very brave girl and she had special qualities and she was doing hard work and she has practiced well to become a great athlete, children. Got it? So that she was the coach. After selection, the coach has given her lot of coaching, children, that she was practiced. Okay, she practiced. While practicing, children, we will be tired, we become weak, that she has tolerated all those things. That is why that she reached towards the gold medal. Otherwise, it is not possible for anybody, children. Got it? Okay. Have you understood this paragraph, children? Okay. Breeze in the sense the Tangali. Okay. What do you mean by coach here? Coach in the sense, yes, the person who gives the training. Look here, coach antandre illi who gives training to the people. Okay. Shall we move on to the next paragraph, my dear children? Look at it. Showing your will when the muscles were aching. Muscles in the sense, while running, that our muscles will catch, children. It will start aching. Aching in the sense pain, headache. That you might have heard the word ache. Ache in the sense here, pain. Okay. Showing your will when your muscles were aching. While she was doing practice, children, that she was pain. Her muscles were pained, but she tolerated all those things. But can keep on doing her practice. Got it? If we give up in the middle, that we can't achieve. Look here. Betty Cuthbert reached the gold medal not because of her luck, children, because of her hard work. Look there. Look at there. Her muscles were aching when she was practicing. Long spells of effort. She did the continuous effort. Long spells of effort in the sense continuous practice. As much to be learned. Every day that she was doing the practice, every day that she was yes, learning the new things, new skills, children, and heeding the words that some others rejected. Heeding the words. Look at that. The people heeding the words, that she was also getting the words from others rejected. Rejected in the sense, the persons who have not selected for the Olympics ಅಂತನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ that she was some others, okay, sorry, heeding the words that some others rejected. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಲು, ನೀನು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನೋಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜೆಲಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೆಲಸ್ some people express their show their negative attitude towards the people who are doing better and good children, so that she has neglected those things. We should not worry about those type of words, children. If we keep on as worrying, or if we keep on as thinking about those things, we will be disturbed. So that's why she neglected all those things, children, and knowing that winning could only be earned. So when her friends and when other competitors were told or used some words, harsh words to her children, she neglected all those words, and she knowing that winning could only be earned. Okay, she knew that only the medal, only the winning will give the answer to those people who are talking behind me. See, children, yes, that we have to tolerate even the jealous of our relatives and of our friends, not friends, of others too, children, while achieving. These are the obstacles, children. If we overcome these obstacles, then only that we could able to achieve something. Got it? See, in this paragraph, that we understood how that she worked hard to reach to that extent, and what are the difficult days that she has come across while she was selected. Okay, and how her friends and other competitors started to treat her when she has been selected for she was for the series, children, the meet. Okay, I hope that you have understood, children. Time slipped away. She tolerated all those things, children, but every dog has its day, like that. The times slipped away. Then came the Olympics. She was just keep on doing the hard work, children. She was keep on doing the practice, and then came the Olympics. Still in her teens, she was just engaged. Teens in the sense, okay, the age between 13 to 19. Am I right? She was in her young age. She had all the guts and caliber of achieving something in her life, children. Look at that. When she was very close to Olympics, still in her teens, but spurred on the day by cheers, glory at last, she was selected to be the Olympic participant, children. And when she was participated in Olympics, children, spurred, here it means encouraged to try harder to achieve something. Spurred in the sense that she was encouraged. Look here, children, underline the word here. Spurred in the sense encouraged to achieve something. So spurred on by the cheers, glory at last. Okay, she was encouraged to participate in that meet, children. In that meet, she achieved a great feat, and cheers. There was a happiness in her face were seen, because that she achieved a great thing or honor. Okay, glory. The word glory here, honor or okay, prize. She won the great gold, yes, the highest honor of the world on the earth, called the Olympic gold medal in her running. This is the real picture of okay, Betty Cuthbert, children. It was the real picture of Betty Cuthbert, who won the gold medal in the Olympics. Got it? So she gained. As you gained your gold medal, the lady, the girl who was running when her friends were walking in her childhood, children. Okay, she is the same girl who won the gold medal for her country in the Olympic, in the greatest okay athletic meet of the world, called Olympics. A time to remember the rest of your years. Okay, it will be remembered throughout our life, children. That achievement is a world record achievement that is worth recording and worth remembering achievements to anybody, children. Okay, that type of achievement was made by Betty Cuthbert. Look here, children. So what does it shows in the sense? Winning the medal in Olympics is not a easy task. It is very tougher one, and moreover, we need hard work to reach that goal. Got it, children? I hope this is about the poem on Betty Cuthbert. Got it? Written by, who is the poet of this poem, children? Yes, you are right. It is a poem by David, very good, Batson. Okay, yes, shall stop here, children. I hope that you have understood this poem. Write down the homework, children. Okay, write this homework. Write the achievements of Cuthbert in general. Apart from that, for 2 marks, okay, what difference that you could find between Cuthbert and her friends when she was going school, adunu kelbodu for 2 marks ge. Okay, and then what are the achievements that she has done as a runner? Okay, yes, children, I hope yes, that you have understood this poem in detail. Yes, write down the homework and do it in your home. Okay, thank you.